How to fix GTA 5 Rage plugin hook crash. I'm going to tell you how to fix the Rage plugin hook crash in GTA 5. If your game crashes right after launching Rage plugin hook, start by checking your GTA 5 version. Make sure it matches the version supported by your current Rage plugin hook. If the game updated recently, you might need to download the latest Rage version. Next, run Rage plugin hook as administrator. Right-click the exe and select Run as admin. This alone fixes a lot of launch issues. Now go to your game directory and delete the Rage plugin hook log file. Sometimes it stores crash errors that loop. If you're using mods like LSPDFR, update those too. Try removing one mod at a time to see what's causing the conflict. Also, make sure no background apps like overlays, Discord, or Nvidia are interfering. Disable them temporarily. And finally, check your antivirus. Rage plugin hook sometimes gets flagged, so whitelist it if needed.